everyone, and thank you so much for joining me at Lisa B. So, diastasis recti is when the abdominals separate during pregnancy, and then they take that little bit longer to come back together. So these exercises are going to be super simple, very sort of no high intensity exercises. You don't want to be doing that if you're dealing with that diastasis recti at the moment. That is so hard to say. I've had to practice saying that so many times. Why is that so difficult to say? Okay, let's get on with it, because I don't want to say it again. It scares me. I don't want to say it again. Right, so we're going to lie down. So all you're going to do is just practice engaging your core. So you're going to take a nice big inhale through the nose. Exhale, belly in. So it's not jamming the lower back into the mat, it's pulling the belly button in towards the spine, and you're just going to hold it whilst breathing. So just hold, pulling your belly in. Imagine there's a string attached to your belly button and it's pulling back towards your spine. Or imagine that you're trying to get a really tight pair of jeans on and you suck your abdominals in, but it's a gentle, just pulling the abdominals in. You're just holding the belly in, but not holding the breath. Keep breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. One more inhale, exhale. Good, and then we're going to start moving the legs. So it's very important that you're holding your abdominals in. So you're going to take another inhale. Exhale, belly in. So belly button in towards the spine. So now lead with the heel of the right foot. You're going to slide it away, holding the abs in, and then bring it back in. Good, and again, slide it away. I'm holding my abs in. I'm really concentrating to hold my abs in and not letting the left side move. So you want to try and keep the left side nice and still. And again, sliding away, holding the abs in. So really keeping the core engaged. We've got two more on this side. And I know these might seem really super easy and simple, but you should be holding your belly in. You're trying to keep everything else nice and still apart from this right leg moving. One more time. And you don't want to start going into some really high intensity ab exercises, because you'll just hurt yourself and you'll hurt your back. So you want to really avoid that. Left side, so pull the core in again. Left leg slides away with the heel. Bring it back in. And again, away. Keep breathing, don't hold the breath. Keep the shoulders relaxed. And if you forget that your core should be engaged, keep pulling it in. Pulling that tummy muscles in the whole time. Good. Let's go for two more. Keep pulling the belly in. Keeping this right leg nice and still. Good. And now we're going to try leg lifts. But again, you know your body better than anyone, so just see how it feels. Make sure your lower back is not lifting off the mat and you're not feeling it in your back. So again, take an inhale. Exhale, tummy in. Right leg into tabletop. Control it with the abs and then bring it down. Abs in the whole time. Left leg, tabletop. So you've got a nice right angle here. Bring it down. And lift the right leg, holding the abdominals in. The whole time, don't let the abdominals relax. Left leg. Inhaling, exhaling, right leg. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Again, keep pulling those tummy muscles in. And if this feels okay, you can move on a little bit. Maybe you can do, I've got a lot of beginner videos, but just be careful, just be aware of the body. Holding the belly in. Good, one more time on each leg. Keep breathing. Keep pulling that core in. Good. Now we're going to try and lift the head and shoulders. So we're going to take an inhale. Exhale, belly in. Lift the head and shoulders, hover the hands. And we're going to come straight back down. If that feels too much, don't lift as high. Just lift the head and shoulders a little bit and come back down. Inhale. Exhale, belly in. Lift the head and shoulders. We're not going to hold it. We're going to come straight back down. Inhale. Exhale, lift. Hover the hands. Come back down, two more. Inhaling. Exhale, lift. Come back down. One more time. Inhaling. Exhale, lift. Good. Come back down, nice. And then we're gonna come up and over into 4-point kneeling. So wrists under the shoulders, knees under the hips. So keep the back flat, don't engage your core and do that with the back. Keep the back flat. So you're gonna take an inhale through the nose. Exhale, pull your belly in. I shouldn't see you move, not that I can see you anyway, I don't know why I said that, but you shouldn't feel your back is moving. You're pulling your belly in towards your spine. So hold your tummy muscles in. Keep holding them in, don't relax them. And then relax the tummy muscles. You might see my tummy muscles change a little bit. So again, take an inhale. Exhale, belly in. Keep the back flat, pull the core in. We're going to take the right leg and just slide it back. Good, keep pulling the core in and keep your hips level. Bring it back in. Left leg, slide it back. Keep pulling the core in. Right leg. Keep pulling the belly in towards the spine. Left leg. Right leg. Keep pulling those tummy muscles in. One more each side. Keep holding the core in, keep the hips nice and still. Keep the neck long. Good, if that feels okay, you can lift the leg. So take an inhale, exhale belly in, take the right leg back, squeeze the bottom. Stay with the leg slides if this is too much, bring it in. Belly in, left leg back. Squeeze your butt, so this is going into the glutes as well now. Bring it in, keep the hips level. Remember, just slide to modify or lift if that's okay. Bring it in, left leg. Bring it in, one more each side. Tummy muscles in. Keeping the hips level, nothing else moves. Good, and down. Good, and then we're going to go on to our back. One last exercise. So you kind of want to do this video a few times a week to start getting some strength into the core. So shoulder bridges. So hands down, we're going to take an inhale. Exhale, belly in, tilt your pelvis back, lift the spine off the mat, vertebrae by vertebrae. Squeeze your butt and come back down. We're not going to go too high. And lift, squeeze your bottom, pull your core in. Good. Come back down. Let's go for 3 more. So it's just a few minutes a day, just to start bringing some strength back very gently without hurting yourself, without kind of trying going too much too soon. You don't want to do too much too soon and hurt yourself. One more time, squeezing the bottom, pulling the core in. Good, coming down. And then let's just roll ourselves up. So simple exercise. So if you feel like they're too easy, move on and do a little bit more. I've got a whole playlist of beginners. My email address is down in the description. So if you've got any questions, please email me, comment on the video, let me know. I'm happy to answer questions. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you feel that it's useful. Just try and do this, I'd say 2 or 3 times a day. You will soon start to notice the difference. Thank you so much for joining. Please hit subscribe, hit the like button, and have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon.